Dear students, today we will discuss about listener is moving towards the stationary source. This is the case of Doppler effect. Doppler effect. First case we have discussed, source is moving towards the stationary listener and another is source is moving away from the stationary listener. When source is moving towards the stationary listener, we have got the relation apparent frequency nu dash equal to V nu by V minus Vs. Now we are going to source is discuss. Source is stationary, but listener is moving towards the source. This is source. Sound is producing and it is moving in every direction. We are considering in this direction, and this is the listener initial position. When both are stationary, source is stationary, listener is stationary, and in 1 second the sound wave move from this to this, means its velocity, so this is V. And if listener is not stationary, is moving towards the stationary source with velocity VL, then what will happen? The listener will get some extra waves in 1 second, because if it is stationary you will get suppose new waves, and if it moves in this direction, so in 1 second you will get extra wave. So when both are stationary, when the source and the listener both are then what we will get? Nu equal to V by lambda. Nu equal to V by lambda. But this is in 1 second. But due to motion of the listener towards the stationary source with velocity VL, we will getting some extra waves. So now frequency will be nu dash equal to nu plus this VL by this is the extra wave the listener is listening in 1 second. The extra wave the listener is listening in 1 second. If it is stationary, the listener will get new waves, but due to in 1 second, but due to motion of the listener towards the source, he will getting some extra waves, and this is equal to V by VL by lambda. Now nu plus, what is lambda? Lambda equal to V by nu, VL by V by nu. So this is nu plus VL nu by V. Take common, take as a first you take LCM, V nu plus VL nu. So if you take common nu, then what will you get? V plus VL by V into nu. This is the apparent frequency the listener will listen if the listener move towards the stationary source. This. Okay. Due to its motion towards the source, he is getting some extra wave, and so this is new wave and this extra wave, and we are getting this. But if the listener is moving away from the stationary source. Then suppose this situation, S, this is your L, this is L dash, this is O, this is V, this is VL. So what will happen? The listener will get some less amount of waves because he is moving in this direction away from the source. Case 3, if the listener is moving away from the source, so he will get less amount of waves. So what will be the apparent frequency? Nu dash equal to nu minus VL by lambda. And if you put like this way, then the relation will come V minus VL by V into nu. So when move towards this stationary source, the apparent frequency will be V plus VL by V into nu. And if the listener move away from the source, you will get nu dash equal to V minus VL by V into nu. Okay. Suppose both are moving towards each other like this way. Source is also moving, listener is also moving. Then what will happen? Case 4. When source means source of sound, source and listener both are towards each other. Then what will happen? This is source is also moving, this is listener is also moving. So first we consider that the source is moving, listener is stationary. Then what will happen? Then we will get nu double dash equal to V nu dash by V minus Vs. Okay, so this is when source is moving. We have considered source is moving, listener is stationary. In this initially, source is moving, listener is stationary. Then the frequency is nu dash equal to V nu by V minus Vs. But listener is not stationary, listener is also moving. Then what will happen? This frequency will again change. So nu double dash equal to V, and he is moving in this frequency. So nu dash by this one V plus VL nu dash by V. Now what put the value of nu dash? So V plus VL by V into what is nu dash? V nu by V minus Vs. So V cancel. So what we are getting? V plus VL by V minus Vs into nu. This is if both source and listener are moving towards each other. If source and listener both are moving towards each other. This one. What I have told? Both source and listener moving towards each other. Suppose train is coming towards this station. You are also running towards the station to catch the train. and this situation, train is coming and you are also moving like this way. So first case we have considered listener stationary, source is moving, so frequency will be this, and in this apparent frequency listener is also moving towards the source. So if the listener move towards the source, what will be the frequency? This. But in this case, this is the apparent frequency, so this, and you put this value here, we will get this relation. And if they move away from each other, that means you get down from the train start again, and you are moving away from the train to go to your home. ट्रेन से उतरा, ट्रेन जा रहा है एक तरफ से लाइक दिस है, एंड सपोज योर home is in this direction, you are moving in this direction, so move away from each other. Then what will happen? The relation will be only change. This will be V minus VL by V plus VS into nu. This. If approach, then if they move away from each other, then this will be the relation. Okay, this is all about Doppler effect. If you go through this will be sufficient for you. First we have discussed listener is, source is moving towards the stationary listener, then source is moving away from the stationary listener, then listener is moving, source is stationary, listener is moving towards the source, stationary source, listener is moving away from the stationary source. Fourth case. Fifth case is this, source and listener both are moving towards each other, approach each other, then the relation will be this. And next case is source and listener both are moving away from each other, then the relation will be this. Okay भाई, ठीक से पढ़ना, बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट चैप्टर है. ओके बाय.